Hey everyone, welcome to the Armor tutorial series for Arrow version 6. This video is the first video in the series and it's going to be a brief overview of how the content management system works, a couple of the features that work throughout the system, and just a quick look at it. So, in order to visit your Arrow CMS, you'll go to your domain/Arrow. That'll bring you to this login page here where you'll enter your credentials and click login. That'll bring you straight to your dashboard. The dashboard has a lot of features. First of all, across your top bar here, you can see the first icon is a bell with a counter. This is our notification center. Any changes to data inside of the system will notify those who are part of that data, and those notifications will show up here. They can be sorted using these different colored boxes. When you click on them, you'll see the blue border that appears, and that will only show you the notifications of that type. Moving on, the next button here is going to be our dashboard editor. This will allow you to select any widgets that you have currently installed to add to your dashboard here. And once you add these widgets to the dashboard, they'll show up in these boxes. This dashboard is fully customizable. So say you want to put one of your widgets first, you just click and drag and drop, and it will reorganize these widgets, and those will be saved in that order for the next time you log in. The next button is our time clock. If you've got our time clock system, this is how you will allow you and your employees to clock in and clock out. These are our account settings. This will allow you to change your account PIN for clocking in and out of the system. This button here is our request system. If there's a bug or a feature that needs to be requested, this is how you will suggest that. Clicking on this button brings you to a form that'll let us know where you were. You'll type in a brief description of the issue or suggestion, and you'll rate its type of submission and priority. This submission will get emailed to the Armor techs and will get addressed as soon as possible. Moving on, the next part of this top bar that we need to talk about is the logout button, and that simply logs you out of the system. And the final one is the Arrow chat system. If you click on this final button, it will slide out the Arrow Instant Messenger. Here, everybody that you can chat with is categorized into groups. As you can see, I've got one group here for staff members. And inside of here, I've got the person that I can talk to, the Armor Internet Marketing account. If I click into that account, you'll see a full-fledged instant messenger here with a list of conversations. This instant messenger also has a fully featured emoji menu to use while messaging. Now, the messaging and notification system are both live systems. They update in real time, so you won't have to refresh your page to see new ones. These counters will tick up and light up if you do have new messages or notifications, and that check happens once every 15 seconds. The other thing to know about the new version of Arrow is that a lot more file uploads have been added to a bunch of the different systems. Our default upload limit for the Armor Tech server is 2 megabytes of data at a time. If this is not enough for whatever project you're working on, there are solutions. You'll just need to contact the Armor Techs to figure out which one works best for you. The one other thing I want to talk about here before the first brief video is over is how the side menu works. As you can see here, we've got a bunch of our different modules, and if you click on the module title, it will take you directly to the dashboard for that module. If you click on the arrow, however, it will expand the submenu for that module. Otherwise, that's about all we need to cover in the brief Arrow introduction video. Please stay tuned for the rest of the tutorial series where we'll be covering all of the brochure site modules and then all of the e-commerce and ticket system modules. If you have any questions or feel like I missed anything, please feel free to email us at support@armortex.com, and we'll be sure to get you a little bit more information. We really appreciate you guys consuming our content. You're the reason that we're still able to do everything that we love to do, so thank you again. And as always, stay awesome.
Thank you.